You're no longer just a human being walking. You are an animal, striding around on the surface of the planet that's out in the middle of the galaxy. This is a canvas memory card. This is a memory of the Earth. It may never be seen again. This is about the stuff that you and I breathe, and that affects everything in the agriculture. And animals are already going extinct. They're going extinct 100 times faster now than they did 1,000 years ago. We are actually natural organisms. We have this very deep connection and contact with nature. We totally depend on it. Sometimes you go out over the horizon, and you don't come back. So, what can we do? We devoted ourselves to developing 2,835 high-efficiency LED strips, which the ERP energy efficiency level B and C. Compared with other products, the same light effect, more energy saving, more environmentally friendly. We lead the industry to enhance environmental awareness, fight together to save the world, and realize the vision of harmony between human beings and nature. After 20 or 30 years, when our kids ask us what you did in global warming, I wish I could tell them that I was doing everything I knew how to do. By saving 1 kilowatt-hour of electricity, we can consume 400 grams of less coal, save 4 hours of water purification, reduce 270 grams of dust, 30 grams of sulfur dioxide, and 1 kilogram of carbon dioxide emissions, and reduce about 60 grams of sulfuric acid in the rain.